raw milk, horseshoe, truly. I'm dabbing, I hop in your car and I smash it. Hop I ain't go roll this, yeah, I'm Trinidad. They look like they don't wanna put, but they at. I'm pouring up purple, that purple, yeah, hat.
A and M, now what's up? Journey and Natalia Squad. It's October 11th, 2018. It's not funny. October 11th, 2018. And yesterday we was in a bad storm. Hurricane Michael hit us. Oh, she has it. We was in Hurricane Michael. It's so much floods around here. Like, you just don't understand. Thank God we're safe though. Like, for real, for real. What's up? So right now, we have to go. We just got off the just got off the bus. It was a hurricane yesterday, and that's why it's so windy, because it's still like it's like still in Georgia, but it's not. This is, say your name.
It's out.
And I'm Journey. And we have Yarn.
What is it called again?
What's up, guys? We're in third period. Natalia's right there with her boyfriend. Today's been going good. I got rained on a little bit. Oh my God!
Watching the stick. Yeah, our teacher meant to do this driving assignment, and we have like really like a couple more minutes of class. And we're in high school, but she's like we're like kindergarten, right? We still got the treasure box and all that. Like we got little Louisville bucks. Right, really. Louisville bucks. Yeah. She got her name scratched. Period. I forgot to have this one. I got stuck. Hey guys, it's fall.
Hey y'all, so we got a school early because it was teacher meeting.
No, it's not.
It's teacher or something like that.
Oh my God.
Last night we was in hurricane and it's like a flood. It's actually fun up here. My name is Journey.
Oh. My name is Natalia.
Yeah, we're going to I did start it. Hold up. Oh, I thought.
Oh, it's still there?
Look at that man. I know, I'm getting it. All that water.
I bet that water smell like shit.
Jetsi is about to get up the bus. By the time see you tomorrow. Just take a little lunch.
No, bye.
Well, what's up, guys? I look a hot mess right now because it's like windy. Because, like I said earlier, there was a hurricane or whatnot. But I just got off the bus, walking home. I actually got off the bus about 5 minutes ago because I walked slow. But yeah. What's up, guys? I'm back and I've been home for about an hour now. And right now my mom's gonna have me clean the bathroom. Whatever, y'all want to see that. But yeah, my mom's gonna have me clean the bathroom or whatever. Journey might come over to say hi to my beautiful babies. This is Thor. Then you have China, which is Journey's favorite dog. She's my baby too. My other baby right in here. Mint. But yeah, just bored right now. Just gonna clean this bath. What's up, guys? So I just woke up from a nap
It's like 4 something now. That light's coming in. Yeah. I just woke up. I'm about to just like maybe fix up, put these clothes away, clean my room a bit, because I have to get ready to go to dance. So yeah, get ready to go to dance. I'll be there for like 3 hours, 6 to 9, and not everything's there. I guess I'll be back with y'all when I'm getting ready. Okay, y'all, this is fit for dance. Pants, shorts, and tights for the front under here. Got my bag, my phone, my thing, my headphones, water. My hair is looking a bit rough, but it's okay. It's okay. Honestly, don't care. It's your dance. You have to be coming in there looking at my face, so I honestly don't care. But yeah. So I guess I'll just be back after dance, because I have to be there 6 to 9. Crazy stuff. Okay guys, so I just got back home. It's like 9:30 something. But yeah, so I'm just gonna end this vlog off here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to JN Empire, and let's try to get to 100 thumbs up on this video for our first vlog of our channel. We're going to make our first video sometime this weekend. Yeah, so see y'all later. Peace.